everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to password protect an Excel workbook on Windows. So if you want to password protect an Excel workbook on Windows, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Excel. You can see search button over here. Click on it. Now click on the search bar and type in Excel. Click on the Excel app. Now open the workbook that you want to password protect, or you can simply start a new one. Fill in all the informations over here. Now in order to password protect, what you have to do is click on this file option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see several options. At first you can see option for info. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see several options over here: protect workbook, inspect workbook, manage workbook, browser view options. Now all you have to do is click on this option, protect workbook. Now again here you can see several options. At second you can see option for encrypt with password. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll have to create a password over here. Keep in mind that if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. It is advisable to keep a list of passwords and their corresponding document names in a safe place. Now after entering the password, click on the OK button right over here. Now re-enter the password. Make sure to enter the password that you had created earlier. Now click on the OK button right over here. Now you can see over here your workbook is password protected. Password will be required to open this workbook. So that is how you password protect an Excel workbook on Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.